guys, I am very excited to review for you today the absolute cutest heated stuffed animal ever from SuzziPals. Obviously, this is in the Highland cow style and it is so adorable and very soft, featuring long, dense bristles throughout the design. And as you can see at the top here, the hairstyle can also be messed with to create all sorts of different fun looks. Certainly great and very fun for all ages. But this adorable stuffed animal has another trick of its sleeve, which is what it is filled with. It features lavender and millet filling, giving it a lovely soothing scent, and can be heated when you microwave it for about 60 to 90 seconds depending on your microwave wattage. So let me go do that right now. Alright, all I have to do is pop open my microwave. You don't have to remove anything from your stuffed animal to be able to microwave it. You can just go in exactly as he is, just like so. Now I'm gonna close it up and I'm gonna do 60 seconds. And the 60 seconds are up, and here's our very warm stuffed animal now. All right, and let me tell you, now that he is microwaved, that lavender scent especially is so strong. It smells really good. Definitely helps me a lot with stress relief, and I love how cuddly this stuffed animal is, so it's very easy to just wrap around me, and it feels so nice. Helps to alleviate anything I may have going on down here. And then I love the natural lavender and millets that just add that extra little bit of scent while I am enjoying the warmth from the stuffed animal. So overall, I'd highly recommend this heated stuffed animal from SuzziPals. Absolutely adorable, very easy to use, just microwave. And then you've got a very warm pad as well as a very soothing scent. Make sure to check it out, whether for yourself or for a loved one as a gift. This is an excellent option. I hope you love it just as much as I do.